We just bought some water before heading towards the subdivision. The fare for this tricycle ride to subdivision is 50 pesos. Ouch.
Block 14.
He called the caretaker actually.
Ayan, dito yung sa likuran. So, dito. Takit po kami sila. And then, kabila. Oh, malaki din siya dyan, no? Ayan, case. Kasi, hindi ko pala.
Finished viewing, heading to SM Mall.
Mukhang hindi naman ibibenta yun. For sale. Hindi. Yun doon banda. Tapos doon yung pauwi.
And it's cold that it's an open field yet.
Same stanza.
Unfortunately, the owner of the house called me to inform me that the house is not available.
So, yummy Filipino food. Sarap ng food ng Pinoy. Halo na ni Joy ito. Ang sarap yan.
I would rate this food 7 out of 10.
Wow, very colorful. This one, buy one, take one. Huh? Buy one, get free.
And it's just 100 pesos for 2.
Okay, Jai.
And it's really yummy. 9 out of 10.
Wow.
On our way home to Dasmariñas from SM Tanza by Grab, the cost is 906 pesos. Commuting in the area from Dasmariñas to Tanza is not easy and can be a bit uncomfortable, as you may need to switch to another tricycle, jeepney or bus if you don't use Grab, which is more convenient but more expensive. Furthermore, during the summer and monsoon seasons, commuting can be exhausting due to the heat, humidity, and occasional rain, ranging from light drizzles to heavy downpours, as well as the traffic congestion. Actually, there were a total of 11 rides back and forth from Dasma to Tanza if we did not take a Grab. We only had 9 rides in total.